Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video Adverbs. Hola Miri learners, bienvenidos a este nuevo video. Yo soy Miriam y hoy vamos a ver las respuestas al video Adverbios. Empecemos. Let's start. Here you had to choose the correct option. Let's see first one. I'm late. Please don't drive so slowly. Why? This is the way how we drive. Esta es la forma en la que conducimos. Slowly. So we have to choose the adverb. Slow is the adjective. Here we need the adverb. Slowly. My neighbor sings loudly. How does my neighbor sing? Loudly. ¿Cómo canta mi vecino? Alto. So here we need loudly, the adverb. I'm doing my exam. Terribly. What happens here? We have quit the E and we have just added Y. Hemos quitado la E y simplemente añadimos Y. You were boiling the vegetables carefully. Here, careful ends in L, so we double the L, carefully. My sister speaks easily English. Because if we say, my sister speaks easy English, that means that my sister only knows easy words. No, my sister speaks easily English. She's able to speak in English. Esto significa que ella puede fácilmente hablar en inglés. He was sitting on his bed quietly reading a book. This is the way how he was reading a book. The speaker talked loudly to the students. How did the speaker talk? Loudly. We need the adverb. The man was driving his car fast and angrily. Why not fastly? ¿Por qué no fastly? L and Y. No, because fast is the adverb. Fast es el adverbio. And angrily. Here, instead of angry, we have changed the Y, quit the Y, change into I, and we add L-Y. My grandfather was a good person. Here we need the adjective, good person. I do my tasks really good. Why good? Because really is the adverb. So now we need an adjective, good. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.